We are in ADO in Brooklyn, which is a creative space for designers for different companies.
I think it's really related to our course and then my project as well.
We've gone to the Colour Factory in New York, which was really good. For my final project, I am doing an exhibition space, and the Colour Factory was a really good inspiration for me.
It's a really amazing experience through the color. I got something from really funny experience from there.
DMU Global for me in New York, it was inspiring. I've learned so much stuff about designing and how to create.
DMU Global in New York has been an amazing experience so far. It's just amazing, the city. It makes you feel so small, but there's so much to do.
DMU Global in New York has definitely opened my mind when it comes to inspiration. Definitely taught me that there's different kinds of design out there. It's not just one type, and I think it'd be a very good experience for anyone to do.